Can you just open the door?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, and we need to go up here. We don't have a I think you might need to crouch a bit. Yeah, I think we're just going to be here. The tree planting is there. We need to keep people back a bit. Because we've obviously got the fixed point.
Okay, let's go over here then.
Tree plantings first. Thank you. We're sending these buildings to these
Okay, let's go back a bit more. Yes, yes, but it's also very important because of the quality we don't have it in Samoa anymore, and this is what we're working on, translocation from American Samoa. We know about the plant is one of the only plants that is used. So which one is this? Telephone. That one. Yeah. Does it get big? Yes, and the flowers is the main. And should grow quite quick. Yes, yes. Well, we're ready to. And this is our curator, our main botanic garden.
Do you use the house? Do you use that? Or is it all a museum? You don't have an office?
It's still
an
under.
office, right. So I hope this will thrive. If I've still got green fingers on it. Yes. Does it produce a fruit? So is that because of the lack of these trees? Exactly. Yes. Exactly. It's brilliant. But are they known to be quick growing? Are they medium-sized? Medium-sized. Incredibly Perhaps every now and then you can send me a photograph so I can see what's happening to it.
We'll send you photos every 6 months and see how much it was.
Everything is surrounded by photographs. And it's expanding the garden, the botanical garden is so good. It's wonderful of you to do this. I'm very touched. So I shall keep them, happy memories. See how it's coming on.
Still on to do an extra. He's helping us for the landscape.
Oh, really? So are you living? Are you an expert on this? Because that's another part. So you can specialise in different areas.
Okay. Can you get through there?
Are you
Senior ranger.
Here we go. So you have to dig the hole.
It's Marietta Arten, or Ranger Artisan.
I'm sorry.
Yes, we're older.
Business.
Yes.
I feel I've rather ruined it. No, but I was so wonderful that Jane's son. The trouble is, as I get older, I lose my patience and want to see things happen quickly.
The whole soil. Very fertile.
That's very important. Finish that off, I think.
Swallowtail butterflies.
Yes, exactly. Deep great.
When we have all the swallowtail butterflies.
Yes. And that is the position you want it in?
Yes.
It's a lowland.
Yeah, it's not going to move again.
Sometimes when I plant things, I know they're moving.
We did that with the mangroves yesterday with the other
Exactly. And what is that?
ferns.
It's the king's fir.
The big one?
Yes.
Oh, is it? Oh, is it? But they really do.
Yeah,
They take a time to break down. Which you could use.
This is our national flower.
Have you chosen the roses very carefully?
Why don't we all come back and we'll get
Can we all go back?
We'll get all of this.
Yeah, I'd love it. I'd love it if we all. Can we just have it clean from
All
down
of
there?
this clean and we can get a really nice picture.
Which angle?
Which angle?
It's just so we can get him
Shooting that way.
Yeah, so if we
but
stand at the end,
We need to stop
we need him at the front and get all of this.
Yeah, that's good.
Really nice.
Excuse me? Yeah. Thank you.
But because of the program,
There are some in the middle already.
it's leaves. Those are smoke.
Sorry. It's not working now.
That's the marvelous thing here, the leaves.
The brightness of the colors. side. The other side. Sorry, the other side. The other side, sorry. The other side. The other side. Sorry, the other side. Thank you.
Fine. No, you can't.
Victoria, Aaron.
Get this doorway for us, guys, please. Yeah, it's
That works very well. Must be very warm in there. Is the real one? Does it have a feet?
yeah, it's the only native relative
That's why we're beginning to melt. It's the wrong time of year. Well, but I do hope we can get the birds back and the butterflies. Anyway, keep an eye on my tree. Plant many more. Marvellous. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Your Majesty.
Good to see you.
Get black lagoon, likely not. So we will be at the very much. Make sure to send the photos of that.
I'd love to.
All right, thank you guys. Watch out.
So you could just, yeah, no, I think you'll be fine, no
No,
time.
but I'm with the PM.
You will be for the Guyana and by that. But he was shut, no time. I think no tide, just be shut.
Whenever the press is there, I'd like you to time.
I'm going to give you this so you can have a read.
They were such dicks about your shoes.
Oh.
Guests are arriving back there from now. And then over here, Tricia. Warned him. I don't like it on camera. So Fiammi and Tricia here, and then they're going to be positions here. Kate, Queen, and then shaking. I think Mans was talking about putting somebody there. And so both angles, guests go in over to the right hand side.
Hello. Here we are. Oh, lovely. Really, you look lovely too. Could I look like this? Authentic Red Sea ring. Yes.
I've done the Duke of Edinburgh Red Sea ring, which is shuts out.
Ah,
Come on, Ollie.
come on.
Oh, look. Then you come.
Sorry? Made up. Completely made up.
I think most of tonight was made up.
Lovely.
So sweet. Yes, that's sweet. Well, Ollie, you're on front door.
Yeah.
Hey man.
Hey, how's it going?
Man, sorry for hitting your tripod
No,
earlier.
it's alright, it's alright. You just have to just providing footage to everyone.
Because what do you call it? Because when I was taking photos and then the police just like tapped my shoulder and I was like, why are you chasing me away?
Yeah.
Sorry.
Very good coverage. It's a really good opening. Yeah, that was a nice song. Especially they were playing all the videos on the top.
Very good setup. Very good
They
setup.
won the
Very good setup.
not too much, but it's simple.
Yeah.
I still a lot of wood.
That's what you need.
Other forums where I go to, it's just so cracked.
Look at change here. Just keep it.
She's the house person.
Because he told me that he's including my name in the list of the building. I'm trying to aim to get a phone because I will see this presenting on
Last one. 1, 2, 3.
once it starts.
I thought the balcony was around the back. Yeah,
Huh?
Isn't the balcony around the other side? No. Oh, is it? Oh, sorry.
We angle it a bit more and they're all shot.
That camera's no, right in front of us. That's
Oh,
why,
listen up.
that's why I said it's a bit
Your camera
weird.
needs to probably go this way to shot everyone.
That's what I said. That's why I said it's weird.
Oh, I'm trying to help you. I'm trying to help you. Because everyone's going to go. Yeah. Otherwise you get blocked, right? If I go here. They're going to be
There earlier.
Oh, okay. You see?
I was thinking of going that side.
Yeah.
Yeah, might be.
Might be better.
We don't have access there, probably.
Yeah, we probably can't go around there. Can you go around there or no?
But
Depends if
I
you
don't
can.
know. I don't know. Probably gonna get them from there and go.
Oh, yeah, they're going that way, are they?
Yeah. And then
So you think you're coming from that, like a car stopping there,
they're stopping right where
Yeah.
people are standing.
and I'm going to walk this way. Okay. Got it?
Yeah, good.
Change that shirt again?
Yeah, I did.
Quick change.
I went back to the hotel and
Yeah, it'd be good if we could go. Can we move this forward just a little bit?
There's an angle all the way
We
along.
can't move it? We just need to.
We're trying to help you at the end.
Which is because if we're in front of you, it's up to you.
It should be like.
So I think everybody's got to sort of work together. No, you can't be there. I think you've got to be here. Well, I think you'd have to. I think we need to use that well. Yeah, I don't think we want to encroach too much. Let's see how we get on. So I can't hear you. Okay, the riser is at the back there with all the plants around it. I'm actually just thinking. Can you see it to the back? Okay.
Like you're welcome to sit in the corner.
There's a media centre. There's a media.
Where's the media centre?
Oh, I haven't. I've only just got here. Hang on. I think it's over there, but it's all right.
If that is, that we don't know of.
Yeah,
Tent.
it's very air.
Bloody hell, that was bad. Oh, bloody hell, that was bad.
Hey Amanda. Well, they're not going to get you.
Hello, I'm just going to go and check where the media place and centre is. Hello, Michael. How are we?
Pardon? No, because we need the bosses on this side. Let us just figure out the lay of the land, and then we'll come out and help.
Is that the media area? Okay. So those chairs are just sitting there on top, just whatever, so they can go sit there. Well, Rebecca needs to do, they need to do some work basically. Probably for another 40 minutes or whatever.
We're going to come and have a look around.
I mean, now's the time to look around. Should we look around?
Right? Well, let's
What
do
is
that.
what is the pool facility? So
Okay,
what do we
right.
get?
Should we go from the top?
Yeah.
So the King and the Queen are arriving here at 8 o'clock.
The Prince come in.
The car, guys, can you hear me? Can you hear me?
fine.
The King and Queen are arriving here at 8 o'clock. They're driving up this road here. They're going to stop between this sort of gap here, and they're going to go up those steps there, just on the left. So the left, that little entrance way there, see it. They're going to walk along this veranda, and they are going. Well, they're going to be met by the master of the household, and they're going to stand there where Michael is, and hopefully that is the plan. Looking at you all, they might not. I don't know whether they'll look face on or whether they'll just look side on. I don't know, but that is hopefully the plan. Well, we need to. We can just I mean, I don't know. These land, they weren't there yesterday. But I mean, the snappers can tell me whether that is going to work. But then the pool press, okay, they're going to be standing just behind Michael, so you can get the King and Queen walking. They can probably do that down there. Get a bit of that, and then the pool can come down here and get that as well. But that's where you guys are. And then after all this,
Right, where's Toby and Zach? Toby, Zach, we need you guys here because you're the pool, no? Yeah, come over and listen to us, just so we can help you out. We've helped you all for the past 2 weeks in Australia and Samoa. We're here to help you again.
I mean, we are where we are. This is, how it is. So the cars are going up those steps, they're walking along the veranda here. We are hoping they'll stand there. And it might be that they just do a sideways thing. I don't know. Have to see. I mean, the only thing they're looking at is you guys. And then we're going to have the pool press. This is the plan, if you're happy with it, to be just where that lovely lady is. I can't see where she is. Waving. Who's been doing the transport?
So we've got around 80, and King and Queen will be positioned on the terrace, and they'll receive their guests, and the guests will then go into the tent. Guests are coming from there.
And they're going to walk through, and I imagine you would stand here, there, they're going to be there, and you'll be up here. So all the fixed point press are then your job. On this picture here, and the guitar coming, you can then go and go down
Max? We'll want to stay for speeches though, won't we? So there'll be 2 buses.
We are very nearly there. We had guests turn up an hour early. Because you couldn't get back to the hotel because it was an hour away and back, so they just came here.
Oh gosh, so that's why they started coming in. Okay.
And the speech is about 9ish, yeah?
Yeah, about 9ish. Well, yes, it'll be about 9.
And then can we go after
What time
that?
do you think the speeches are?
9 o'clock on the dot.
On the dot. Shall we show you? You just have to reiterate. Well, obviously, you want to look at the lovely table.
Toby, Zach, do you want to come with us, look at the tables? And who's our Duncan, are you our TV? Right. So we start walking in. Do you want to come in? You can leave your brolly here.
Well, it just, there was the odd spit as we came out, so I'm just going to
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. And
So then, once these handshakes are finished, they're then going to come down here, and their matches are, and we'll go ahead.
Is it useful I stand up here? Is the lighting alright? So everything is it too yellow? Is it like... Well, no, not where the door is. Where the door is. Okay. Right there. Yeah. Do you two want to stand together? Yeah, that's right. That's one. Thanks, baby.
Hey, I've asked you this, but I've forgotten. What time are they arriving? What time's our first picture? Do we know? So the guests arriving at 8, I think the first pitch is half 8.
Yeah, the king
So
and
they'll
queen.
start arriving in there, yeah.
Yeah, but the actual king and queen will be half 8.
Oh, they check it still, but
Okay.
that's what should be.
Okay, cool.
We're running behind.
Brilliant. Okay, yeah. If you let me...
Yeah.
Watch hello chaps, how are you? It's basically just flashing the entire room. Like that, and they're going to come towards us, right?
So,
they're going to stop for you.
Oh, you mean the handshake one?
The handshake stuff, yeah.
Yeah, no, so it's like we kind of want to no, I think it's you're going to be here. We see yourself that needs to be here, and then the handshake. So I'm thinking as they come down the king and queen, so you sort of try to get sort of inside of the king and queen and the guests. Encourage people to look. They might not. I think that because if you're further down, you obviously get a better shot of the king and queen and guests who will be back ahead. And like, it's really for it's kind of for the guests more than so you're on the back of the royal festival. So what would it be better if we do this like here? Basically want to make sure people to leave the room so they can do that shit and make it upstairs without it being forming a bit of a throng on the stairs. It's going to be quite quick. I think they're going to get announced. Do you want someone to get a name shake my hand? That'd be useful. Nay. Nay, would you mind being a guest of royalty? And then so if you could like basically walk around and do your handshake. Does it kind of work? Yeah, it's amazing. It works, yeah. I think it's basically no, I just trying to do what the end. If you look. Okay. Yeah. That's perfect. So I think it's going to be six. So Paul will do the shot, and then yeah.
Yeah, I think.
I can't find it.
Well, at least it won't be that long.
Dapat kan mereka baik. Kat Melayu. Kat Melayu. Oleh besok sekali pakai sampai